What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best cameras for beginners on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Olympus OM DM10 Mark IV. Introducing the OM DM10 Mark IV, a marvel of simplicity and performance in the realm of mirrorless cameras. Tailored for those transitioning from smartphones, its ergonomic design and intuitive button layout, seamlessly integrated into a classically styled shell, position it as a standout choice. The flip-down touchscreen adds a touch of modern convenience without compromising its timeless aesthetic. While the absence of advanced features like microphone and USB-C ports might be noted, the EM10 Mark IV excels as a stills camera, surpassing its peers in the category. In our tests, it emerged as the epitome of a photo-centric marvel, consistently delivering captivating stills. Dive into the realm of advanced photography effortlessly with the Advanced Photo mode, empowering users to explore techniques like long exposures with ease. Borrowing the in-body image stabilization prowess from its flagship counterpart, the EM1, this camera ensures a steady hand and crisp images. Boasting a respectable 23 MP sensor resolution and harnessing the power of the Micro Four Thirds system, it opens up a vast array of lens options, making creativity boundless. While it may not make headlines, the Mark IV stands as an exceptional choice for beginners, seamlessly blending innovation with tradition. Number 2. Fujifilm XT30 Mark II. Fujifilm's XT30, already a compelling choice for photography novices, receives a refined sequel in the form of the XT32, adorned with a suite of enhancements. Visually indistinguishable from its predecessor, the XT32 retains the same captivating chassis and retro shell, a design boon for beginners navigating the intricacies of photography. The tilt-only touchscreen, while maintaining its characteristic simplicity, now boasts enhanced sharpness, elevating the user experience. Under the hood, the XT32 adheres to the successful formula of its predecessor, wielding the dependable APS-C sensor and a 425-point AF system within its compact frame. While not revolutionizing performance, a novel algorithm introduces heightened precision in tracking moving subjects, enhancing the camera's adaptability to dynamic scenes. The refined sensitivity of focus points stands out, showcasing the XT32's proficiency in capturing details even in challenging low-light conditions. While not a compelling upgrade for current XT30 owners, the XT32 stands as an enticing prospect for first-time buyers. Its amalgamation of compact proportions and versatile shooting capabilities positions it as a competent all-rounder, poised to nurture the growth of your photographic prowess. Number 3. Sony ZV1. Compact yet mighty, the Sony ZV1 emerges as a potent companion for burgeoning content creators, particularly those venturing into the realm of vlogging. Its portability is a standout feature, complemented by an ideal synergy with Sony's array of compact lenses, ensuring optimal performance. Putting it through its paces, the 24 2MP APS-C sensor of the ZV1 impresses with razor-sharp 4K footage and intricately detailed stills, thanks in part to a swift 425-point autofocus system. The inclusion of a hot shoe mount and audio ports enhances versatility, facilitating the expansion of your shooting setup for a more immersive experience. While a touch-optimized menu system could enhance user-friendliness, the absence of a viewfinder may be a minor setback for photographers. Nevertheless, the articulating touchscreen proves invaluable for dynamic framing, and the camera's tactile control interface is thoughtfully designed for seamless operation. Our scrutiny unveiled minimal drawbacks for novices. Some rolling shutter is noticeable during panning, and the 4K recording tops out at 30p. Despite these nuances, the ZV1's generous feature set, including hassle-free computer connectivity for live streaming, positions it as an enticing choice for those delving into videography. Number 4. Fujifilm XS20. For novice photographers seeking a lasting investment, the Fujifilm XS20 emerges as a stellar choice. While its price point surpasses entry-level thresholds compared to the XS10, our testing reveals that the design and handling of the XS20 are exceptionally beginner-friendly. The streamlined dials make operation intuitive for learners, striking a harmonious balance by offering sufficient manual control to foster ongoing interest as creativity and skills evolve. A notable highlight is the enhanced auto shooting mode, a boon for novices. Seamlessly detecting and tracking subjects while intelligently selecting scene settings, this feature elevates image vibrancy effortlessly. The consistent image quality owes itself to Fujifilm's reliable 26.1 MP X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor. If venturing into videography is on your agenda, the XS20's 6K/30p 4:2 to 10-bit recording capability ensures you won't feel restricted. While our review yearned for weather sealing and acknowledged the investment required for casual content creators, the XS20 compensates with indispensable features. In-body image stabilization and a dedicated vlog mode, complete with user-friendly presets, position the XS20 as an adept inaugural hybrid. Number 5. Nikon ZFC. The Nikon ZFC, at its core, inherits the prowess of the Nikon Z50, boasting a formidable 20.9 MP APS-C sensor and a versatile hybrid autofocus system that effortlessly delivers detailed stills and robust 4K footage at 30 fps. What truly distinguishes the ZFC is its homage to the classic Nikon FM2, evident in its body design reminiscent of the 80s icon. Mirroring the dimensions of its analog predecessor, the Camry exudes retro charm, embracing its heritage with thoughtful throwback cues. A notable enhancement over the Z50, particularly for novice users, is the inclusion of a vari-angle display, adding a layer of flexibility to creative framing. While the ZFC lacks weather sealing, its striking aesthetics make it a camera best enjoyed in fair conditions. The absence of the Z50's deep grip might be noted, but doesn't detract from the overall experience. For those who revel in fine-tuning exposure settings, the ZFC introduces dedicated exposure dials that prove more intuitive than generic command dials once mastered. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.